Hi, we meet again in our second project, HR Bot or Aamal Bot. Aamal Bot is an AI-powered assistant designed to streamline recruitment by automating two cores. First of all, the AI chatbot will conduct interviews with job seekers based on job descriptions and recruiter-provided questions. So the HR will have a customized question to add to our data that will be asked into the candidate or the job seeker. After that, we will go into more details on the implementation of the project. There is also a resume consultant which matches the resume to job description, provide a matching score, and deliver actionable feedbacks. The project save recruiters time and ensure job seekers receive tailored guidance, creating a win-win situation for both parties. Enough talking about the theoretical part. We dive directly into our project. There is one thing that I have to mention before I directly talk about the functionalities. The project is not 100% completed. We're still working on the backend. There is some functionalities we had to rework on them to ensure a better hierarchy and architecture for the future scalability and all. So I will just show a part of the front end and the functionalities of the AI so using a simple dashboard. Let's dive directly into our front end. It's a simple informations about the application, as you can see here. There is also two users. There is an HR or a job seeker. After he done his authentication, he will be sent directly into his dashboard. This is the dashboard for the HR, where he can create his job offer. He can also see application status, so he can see the candidate that have interviewed and all. He can see like applicant. This is his job offer. He can see the applicant, the details of his job offer, or he can directly modify it. And also there is the settings for his account. On the job seeker end, there is other functionalities which are such as the resume consultant and the HR bot that will interview him, and also account management as simple as any other website can do. Let's now dive into our AI functionalities. This is the HR bot, where he will interview the candidate based on the job description and the resume of the candidate. So we can show you the quality of the questions, also the feedback and the matching percentage, how accurate it is and all. First, we start with the candidate name. Let's say job title. Let's say senior marketing. Now we need to provide it with a job description. I have one here. This is an announce for soft developer. So basically software developer. Here we can add how many questions we need in the company name. We start the interview. There is simple welcome in here. Now we wait for the question to be generated. Here is the first question. I will now basically go through them in a negative way, so I don't take much in asking or answering each question. I will just simply use some negative words like I don't know or I haven't used this technique before or anything like this, and see if the percentage will be accurate and give me 0% or 10% based on our questions. As you can see here, this is a technical and problem solving question describing let's say I don't know. Let's submit our answer. Here also I work alone. Submit question. This is a technical and adaptability. Here I will just simply say no. The interview has been completed. Now it will generate our feedback, also the matching percentage. The feedback, as you can see, this candidate demonstrates significant lack of preparedness and a concerning lack of relevant skill and experience. Here is the weaknesses of the candidate. The strengths, there is not strengths basically. And last but not least is the matching percentage, which is 0%. We can restart it and try to give it better answers. Start interview. Describe challenging bug encountered and how you approach debugging and solving it. I will first try to locate the bug and work on debugging it with my main knowledge. Then if it doesn't work, I will search and read the docs to help me fix it and go through the problem line per line. Submit the question. This is teamwork and all. Sure, everyone wasn't simply communication as person non-technical. Describe situation where you have to work with individuals. I will be creating servers to make sure synchronization on the work, plus keep on touch with the team and do multiple calls for checkups. The technology landscape is evolving. I'm always open to learn, so there will not be a problem for me adapting to new techs. Let's submit. Now we wait for our results. Interview response, a significant gap between their expert enthusiasm and their demonstration. As you can see here, even though I tried, it wasn't really enough. So I need to be more precise. Now about the resume consulter, all we had to do is provide the job description, provide CV, and then generate feedback. Here we can add weights. So like the scoring will be at default 40% for skills, 30 and 30 for the experience in education. If our criteria is more into skills, we want like a skillful man or a candidate more than one who had an education experience. We can basically add up this or increase the amount of the weights here, etc. with these. Now we wait. As you can see, the feedback has been generated with the matching score and the details. Here, the score of the skills had to match it to 75% with the missing skills and everything. Like it's well detailed. Education, there is such thing and all, and experience also. So it's basically a way to provide the job seeker with more details about the interview he will be going through, so he doesn't like blame us on not providing him with the job or the interview was biased or anything. He can test his profile first, I mean his resume first in our resume consulter, then go into the interview. Basically, these are the functionalities how we have worked on. There is still more to work, inshallah. And I see you in the last but not least presentation of ML student, inshallah. Have a good one.